Did you know that there are 5 types of fathers out there? Which of the following types best describes you? There is the irresponsible father, one who has literally zero involvement with his kids. Someone who completely bails on them to the point that they don't even know what his name is. This father takes no responsibility, provides no child support, and contributes no meaningful support into the lives of his children. Then there is the ignorant father. This type of father has no idea what he is doing and continually wreaks havoc in the lives of his children without even realizing it. He doesn't know anything about being a father, and he doesn't try to learn or improve. Because of all this, he ends up projecting his own brokenness into the lives of his children. Then there is the inconsistent father who is torn by personal ambition. He has the capability of doing better at this fathering thing, but instead he prioritizes his own job, career, and hobbies. These binges of selfishness are often followed by guilt and feeble attempts to fix everything. But there is no stable sense of security or identity passed down to his children. There is the involved father. This type of dad shows up at the sporting events and takes the time to put porn filters on his kids' devices. He gets a lot of things right, but because of the business of life and the failure to ask the right questions, he never seeks to understand specifically who his children are and why God gave them to him. This is a noble dad, but one hounded by the sense that there is something more, another layer or level in this parenting. Then there is the intentional father. The intentional father is deeply invested in discovering who his children are and how he can help them reach their redemptive potential. He seeks to understand the children God has given him and wants to form them into young persons who can fulfill their purpose. He sees parenting as central to his call before God and does it with all of his might. This kind of father leaves multi-generational blessings in the lives of his children. This channel is all about becoming that 5th kind of father, being an intentional father. Again, I ask, which type of a father are you? Be honest with yourself. Are you willing to put in the time required to become an intentional father and help your children thrive? Which of these fathers are you? Please leave this in the comment below. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, do me a favor, subscribe, like, and share this with your colleagues. God bless, and see you in the next session.